Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic called artificial intelligence integrated with the Internet of Things, which is called AIoT. In this lecture, we will understand what AIoT is, why it is needed, and how it is transforming real world applications such as agriculture and healthcare. So, we are going to see the AIoT in an application perspective. First, you have to know what is AIoT. The IoT refers to a physical device such as sensor and cameras that collect data from the environment. AI refers to algorithms that can analyze this data, learn patterns, and make decisions. When we integrate these two, that is the AI with IoT, we get AIoT where the devices do not just sense data but also think and act intelligence. For example, a normal IoT sensor only report temperature. An AIoT system can predict overheating and automatically take an action. So next we are going to see evolution from the IoT to AIoT. So earlier the IoT system, that is sensor, were just data collecting. Decisions were made mostly by the manual or cloud basis. So after AIoT, intelligence is embedded directly into the device, enabling fast response and predictive capabilities. So next we are going to see the AIoT system architecture. Here we are going to see the layer by layer. So the first layer is perception layer. Here it contains the sensor and devices which collect the raw data such as images, temperature, and any other healthcare signals. The next layer is network layer. While collecting all this data, these data are transferred using Wi-Fi or like Wi-Fi, etc. Third layer is edge processing. So here, after collecting this data, the AI model will process the data locally for real-time decision. Next one is cloud layer. So after performing all these AI models, these large-scale data are stored in cloud layer, which is used for large-scale analytics, model training, and storage. Then application layer. So in this layer, we can see the dashboard, alerts, and automated control actions. Next one, the applications of AI plus IoT. The first one is agriculture 6.0. So it is a smart farming, precision farming, and disease detection in healthcare. With the help of AIoT, we can have a continuous patient monitoring. And for smart cities, we can have a control in the traffic and pollution, and also we will use it in the waste optimization. In Industry 5.0, the predictive maintenance and robotics. So each sector benefits from automation plus intelligence. So in here, by 2050, that is 2050, the world population will approach 10 billions. In a traditional agriculture cannot meet this demand due to water scarcity, climate change, and inefficiency. So there will be the stress point is food scarcity, sustainability, and resource optimization. So the technology is no longer optional in the agriculture; it is essential. Right. IoT architecture. This is an some pictorial representations of IoT architecture for agriculture. This architecture show how the sensor communication networks, AI models, and dashboard work together to monitor crops, soil, and climate in real time. Then the evolution of farming technology. Farming has evolved from manual labor to the machinery, then automation, then precision agriculture, and now intelligent autonomous system. Right, that is the agriculture 6.0, which is self-regulating farms. Right. Now, Agriculture 6.0. Agriculture 6.0 is not just about using machine, it's about creating sustainable, autonomous ecosystem. Here the pillars are clearly like hyper automation, that is robots and drones. Second point is regenerative focus. It automatically improves the soil health, biodiversity, and ecosystems. Now, the integrations of AIoT ecosystem, everything connected and intelligent. So, AIoT in agriculture, the crop diseases cause 30 to 40% yield loss annually. The manual inspection is slow and unreliable. So, here the AIoT enable yearly detection and real-time decision making. So, predictive is rather than reactive agriculture. So previously we have seen a short version of the layer architecture layers. Now let us just see the extensions of each layer. The first one which I have referred before is perception layer, the data collection. The cameras capture the leaf images while the sensor measure the temperature. And these examples are just considered in the agriculture land. So, and a sensor also measure the humanity and soil nutrition. So, pre-processing improves the data quality before AI analysis. Right. The next one is network layer, which is used for data transformation. Here, different data types are required different models, right? So, MQTT ensure lightweight and secure communication while encryption protects former data. So here the security is critical in the IoT system. The next one is edge layer, AI model processing. So here we are not going to use a cloud here. Every process, right? The trained models are run here in the edge computing device. The AI model like a CNN or vision transformer runs on edge device. They classify plant health in less than zero point 0.2 seconds, enabling immediate actions. Right. So the edge layer, what is the benefit is it gives a low latency plus offline capacity. Right. Next one is cloud layer, which is where we are using for analytics and train. We are going to train the AI model in the cloud. The cloud stores the data, retrains AI models, and provides analytic dashboards for long-term insights. Model updates are sent back to the edge devices automatically. The last layer is application layer, a farmer dashboard. Farmer receives real-time alerts, disease, heat maps, pesticide recommendations while retaining manual control. Then feedback and learning loop. So what that feedback and learning loop is, this loop ensure a continuous improvement. When an AI model detects, it confirms with the format and sent to the cloud and read, retrained in the cloud and after sent it to the edge computing. AI models are updated, then it processes once again. Quantitative benefits are the AI OT increase yield, reduce water and pesticide usage and improves decision accuracy. The research and development opportunities in this AIoT is this area offers strong research potential, especially for low layers AI, federal learning, blockchain traceability, and drone integration. These are the excellent project and PhD topics. So when we say in the healthcare 5.0, the healthcare 5.0 focus on predictive and preventive care using AIoT wearable sensor continuously monitoring vital signs. Then here also we are going to see the same layers, that the perception layer, network layer, edge layer, cloud layer, which we have seen for agriculture. The same thing will happen for the healthcare. The same AI roles plays in the healthcare and the commercial AIT system already existed or with Sense 2, Medtronic, LINQ2. These are the practically available commercial AIoT. Thank you. The AI2 represents the features of intelligent, autonomous, and sustainability. Thank you so much.